Hey, it's Lourdes Alden. I'll be doing a makeup tutorial inspired by Delores from Beetlejuice, and let's begin. Priming my face with the e.l.f. Power Grip Primer. Priming my eyes with the Milk Makeup Hydro Grip Eye Primer. Now let's start with something a little different. I'll be mixing the LA Girl Pro Coverage Concealer in Flat White and NYX Bear With Me Concealer in Vanilla. Mix them both to make my skin look pale. On my crease, eyelids, and lower lash line, I'll be using the About Face Eye Matte Paint in Weightless and Capulet. For that signature black smoky eye, I'll be using the About Face Eye Matte Paint in Art of Darkness. Along the way, I'll be creating some smudges that go down on her face. For false lashes, I'll be using the Ardell Naked Lashes in the style 421. Mapping out the stitches on my face with my e.l.f. eyebrow pencil in taupe. Tracing the outline with About Face Eye Matte Paint in Art of Darkness to create a SFX stitch look. Using the About Face Fractal Paint in Refract to create a staple look that is stitched between her face. Making a gray contour shade with About Face Eye Matte Paint in Hidden Garden. Mixing Hidden Garden with NYX Bear With Me Serum Concealer in Mocha. Setting my face and body with one size translucent setting powder. For lipstick, I'll be using the ColourPop Lippy Sticks in Infinite Best. For the outfit details, some of them will be on my Amazon storefront, which will be in the description box below. For a two-piece set dress, I got them from Amazon. For the combat boots, I got them from Rue 21, but I will link a similar one on the Amazon storefront as well. And that's it for this makeup look and costume details. I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Happy Halloween. Bye.